The cured-in-place pipelining system allows your sewer line to be fully rehabilitated and back to working condition in less than a day. First, a small but powerful video camera is inserted into your pipes to assess any problems like cracks and root intrusion. Then, we remove any roots and scale buildup by using a high-speed rotary chain cleaner that moves down the pipe, grinding away any obstructions. Remaining debris is washed away through hydrojetting, which uses highly pressurized water to scrub the interior of the pipes. A piece of flexible liner is then cut to fit the entire length of the pipe. Next, a resin mixture is poured directly into the liner opening. The liner with vacuum seal attached is then fed into a table roller to ensure every inch of liner is fully saturated with resin. The prepped liner is then coiled inside an inversion drum. Next, the starting end of the liner is securely fastened to the inversion drum nozzle, making an airtight seal. Air pressure pushes or inverts the flexible liner into the pipe, sealing all cracks and connections. Next, a calibrated balloon-like tube or cal tube is inverted into the liner, pressing the liner against the interior of the damaged pipes. The cal tube is then filled with ambient air, steam, or hot water, allowing the liner to cure until it forms a solid new pipe. The cal tube is then deflated and removed. A final camera inspection confirms that trenchless sewer repair will rehabilitate and structurally reinforce your existing pipes to last decades.